Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be trying new makeup products, and I created this look. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's start. I don't have any brand new eyebrow product. Yeah, I don't have any. I do not have any brand new eyebrow product, so let's skip that part. But yeah, so for the eyes today we will be using two palettes, which is this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I just got these, I bought these Friday, yeah, last Friday, and I'm so excited to use this, especially the yellow one right there. And then the second one is this Alamar Cosmetics. So by the way guys, I already kind of filmed this makeup video, but for me it's just like I'm just not content. I'm not satisfied. I'm not satisfied for the whole video. But anyway, enough for me talking about that, because I was very upset of myself. Anyway, all right, let's prime my my lids with this Essence Heart Stage eyeshadow base, and see how that goes. So we'll just put that all over my eyelids. And for this look I will be creating this kind of like bright looks, and yeah, bright looks. And I'll just blend that with this Real Techniques, I don't even know what it's called, like whatever, the sponge. But yeah, so I forgot how much this costs, but alright, just prime my lids so I can start. So there you go. Anyway, yeah, so I'll be mixing this palette, and then I got this this palette cost $9.98. So let me just open that up. So, you guys see that? Looks so stunning. So anyway, I will be using the shade Lemonade Craze, which is the yellow one. I'll be using that, and I'm gonna set that as my transition. So it doesn't even smell lemonade. It does have that smell, but anyway, let me put that all over my eyes to just use that as a transition shade. Just pack it. It's not really as pigmented as I want it to be, but it's okay. And just like, I think this is good for like beginners of makeup, so you can just like control. See that? So as you can see, with the palette, it's a little bit, it's like a little bit of fallout right there. actually smell like sweet lemon or something. So I just keep blending that. And then I'll be using this Ice Pop right there. And then same blending brush. Then put Ice Pop in the outer V. And then blend them together. I'm not really feeling this palette, like the color is just not showing up. That you really have to be, just keep going into the palette. Yeah, I'm not feeling all this. I don't know if it's just the color. But let's move on with this Alamar Cosmetics Volume 1 palette, eyeshadow palette. And we'll just use the shade Cocoa Taxi. And put Cocoa Taxi over my crease. And I'm gonna take the shade Tropical and then put the shade Tropical right here in the outer V. Where if I can use a crease brush. Then I'll be taking, let's see, I'm gonna take this eye crease brush and go back with this Lemonade Craze and then put it up right here and just blend it. Alright, so we'll be using, next we'll be using this shade of Cilia first. I'm gonna take Cilia and put that half of my eyelids. So take Cilia. And then we'll also take Varadero, which is a beautiful blue shimmery shade. Just flip that brush and take Varadero, put it in the other half of my lid. And then we'll take the shade, let's see, Cafecito, just to darken up. Right there. And then let's take Tropical and Cocoa Taxi again. Just kind of there. It doesn't have a harsh line. Okay guys, so I'll just do my other eyes and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so let's already did half of my eye, and then let's start with the face right now. So I'll be using this Cover FX blurring primer. This is new. I got this from my my BoxyCharm. So I already tried this primer a couple of times now, and then let me tell you something. It just blurs and have that like no filter, no pores. Like I'm telling you guys, this shit right here is the bomb. Ever since I got that from the box, I don't know what month it is, I've been using that primer. It just changed my makeup game. Just telling you. Anyway, let's proceed to the foundation. This is actually new too. I got this when I went to Ulta, and then haven't used it, so it's gonna be first time using it. And then that lady who works at Ulta, I was asking her to kind of like shade me, but she was too lazy. Like, oh yeah, this is your your shade, and then she chose the DC one. So yeah, because they don't really have a whatchamacallit, like a like a tester. So anyway, I think I forgot how much it's cost, somewhere between $12. And then this is the packaging looks very I'm gonna tell you, it's very expensive, and it's glass. And then ooh, I didn't know that. I thought it was a ooh. So it has this like applicator, default applicator, and I really can't. It reminds me of that Tarte Shape Tape foundation, but I don't have that one. So okay, let's just see if this is. Yeah. So ooh. And then the smell, is this just a brightening complex? This is the healthy foundation, and it has SPF 20 and brightening complex. And then this is for all skin types. So I'm oily skin, so let's just this bad boy. And just blend out with the sponge. I don't know if this one claims full coverage or medium, but as I'm looking in the mirror, it kind of is my shade actually. Just put that more. Damn. Okay. The pores are sleeping. And that is bad at all. It's everything. Even your neighbor's problem. And then I'm excited to use this. I already used it, but I'm excited for you guys to see. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and I used the shade. I picked up the shade C7. So I'll just kind of like brighten that up. Put that in my eye. Also in my chin and in my forehead. Just blend that out. By the way, this concealer is bomb. it's really easy to blend. I don't have new cream contour products, but let's just skip that and let's do this cream highlight. So I'll be using this Tarteist Pro Glow, and this is the liquid highlight in the shade Exposed. I got this product on my Bachi Charm too. I think it's, see, I don't know what the price is, but I will put it in the description box. Just like put that over there, and then right there, and then flip the thing and just blend it. And then for powder, which is, I'm really excited to use this, you guys. I never used this before. This is the Nichido Final Powder. By the way, if you guys are asking, I got this when I was in the Philippines. It's been sitting in my makeup room for like what, March, actually, for like 4 months now. So anyway, this is their Nichido Final Powder in the shade Ivory Glow. And I think this is 150 pesos. I forgot. But yeah, I really can't wait for the tea. And it has like that puff. So let me just open this. I know I'm way too late for this powder to try, but look. Just. Alright. First, the smell. It reminds me of baby powder, so get that baby powder. So I'm just gonna like shake it to get some products. Oh, that's a lot. Wait a minute. Oh, yep. Alright, so let's just get the powder. And then I'm gonna try this puff that it comes with. So, you know what? I'm not really fan of that. Let's just these and just like it. Yeah, it has that baby powder, Johnson's baby powder smell. So let's just put this under the eye. And then now we're just gonna use this puff to set all over my face. Like that. I know, what's her name? Patrick started this, like just puff. Just like set the makeup. You don't have to like drag it. That's just wrong. That's very wrong. Just gotta like push it into your skin, not too hard, but it's giving me that no filter look. Anyway, for the bronzer, I got these Essence Sun Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Natural. I should have got the, I don't know if they have the darker shade, but I got the darker one because this is just way kind of like too light for me. So I really have to keep going back and forth with this bronzer to kind of like show up. And it smells really good, you guys. It also reminds me of my butter bronzer from the Physicians Formula. So this really reminds me of the Physicians Formula, like the butter bronzer. Like the smell, oh my goodness, it smells so freaking good. Okay, you see it shows up, but you just have to keep keep going back and forth with this product. So anyway, let me just like but I also do this part, which is like I get a powder and just kind of clean up the just dust this off. Wow, I'm really shocked. Okay, you guys, this powder, damn, just for 150 pesos. So how many? I was like $3. Damn, really sets my own. Okay, I'll see you in Nichido. They're saving up there. By the way, that's like the local makeup product in the Philippines where I came from. So okay, so just put this rest of my color. Anyway, let's go over with the blush, and this is the Bilena Honest Cheek Blush right there. And I think this is 175 pesos or 150. I forgot. If I'm gonna go through Bilena website and then see, you guys, it has like mirror inside it, and it came with it like little brush, but to be honest with you, I don't really use that. So let's just use this blush. Take that and giving it 6 minutes. Anyway, next is highlight, and this is the Morphe Babe in Paradise highlighting palette, and we'll be using this. I think this is $29.99 or like almost $30. I got this on Ulta. So yeah, this is in collaboration with Bretman Rock. You know, Filipino gang support. It's just like spray this. And we'll be using the shade Vacation right there. We'll use that. Ooh, honey. And then this is the Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on because I got this brush I'm like in a set. So yes, can it's not doing, baby. No, she's not. Anyway, for a let's just curl our lashes, you guys. And then this is the Sephora curler, by the way. And let's see, I'll be using this Wonder Beauty This is the Wonder Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. Right there, this is new. I got this on my Baxi Charm, and it's really cute how the packaging looks like. Ooh, okay. Let's see, let's try this bad boy. Anyway, guys, let me just put some lashes off camera because I know it's gonna take forever for me to put lashes. But I'm just gonna show you guys. This is the Kiss Look So Natural lashes. Okay, guys, so I already put the eyelashes on, and then yeah, it has a name. It's a Possie, not shade, right there. But anyway, I switched to my other camera because the camera that I was using earlier, which is the battery died. So plus I don't have any extra battery for that camera, so I'm just gonna use this camera, and I was charging the battery. So anyway, let's proceed with what you call it. Okay, what's next? Okay, lips. All right, so I got this Maybelline what is it, lip stain, whatever. I got the receipt right here. So this is the Maybelline lip, whatever it is. Let's see. Yeah, SuperStay Matte Ink right there. And this is in the shade Fighter. I got the shade 75 Fighter. So it's kind of brownish. I don't know if it's gonna go to this look, but let me just line my lips with this Nichido, what is this? Lip liner in the shade Blaze. And line my lips. Just like me. Alright, let's use this. Smells good. Okay. It has that unique the foot applicator. You can see or not. Smells good. This is a good start. And it doesn't have that sticky feeling, which is good for a liquid lip. So, alright, to finish up this look, I will be setting this with Nichido Matte Finish Makeup Setting Spray, and this costs $288. 288 pesos, not dollars, because that's crazy. So anyway, let me just set these. Okay, you guys, my thought about this spray, since I've been using it, this one, it's just give me the grandma like smell, like that perfume. I know my grandma from the Philippines has this kind of like perfume. It's just giving me that that smell, but it doesn't bother me at all. It actually smells good, but it's kind of like in the grandma side. But anyway, yeah, so this is the final look. So anyway, I'm just gonna give you guys all the rundown of all the products that I use for today's video. We'll start with this Maybelline Lemonade Craze. First of all, it costs $10 for this one. I was expecting, oh no, I'm not done. Let's see, let me just use this shimmery shade one more time to highlight the brow bone, which is the main squeeze, which is this one. I'm not gonna judge it yet, but hold up. Let me just use that and use that as a brow bone highlight. Okay. Just popping. Not bad. And for my inner corner. Damn, okay. She didn't come to play. Okay. Let's see, maybe. Alright, so this palette costs 9 something. Let's see. $9.98, so it's almost like $10, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmery shadows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 matte products. So I would say it's just well, I was using this yellow shade, which is the limited Craze. It's just, I was expecting like a lot of colors into it, but the more because I pack it first and then I can just like blend it out, it's just like it's showing up, but she's there but she's not really there, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just gonna give this another try of this palette and just kind of like play with it, and I will like talk about it in my future videos and give you guys an update with this palette. But yeah, just like a 50-50 feeling. But this Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, this is the Reina del Caribbean, whatever it is, Reina Caribe volume 1 eyeshadow palette. You guys, this looks very amazing. It's very like, it's just sent from the gods. Okay, so you have to have this palette, and I got this palette, by the way, in my BoxyCharm. So yeah, I really love this palette. It's just, I mean, look at the eyes, honey. I never done like a bright eye like makeup look in my channel, and I'm shocked. But anyway, that is a yes for me. And then the eyeshadow base really helps a lot too, which is, this is the Essence eyeshadow base, helps a lot too. And then next is the blurring primer, you guys. And the combination of these two is just, I got a new favorite foundation now. So this two, I highly recommend Discover Effects if you're probably oily skin. I don't know if I don't know, but in the dry skin side, I really don't know. But this is really good, you guys. This is really good. And then this Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex from the Physicians Formula. This foundation is bomb, especially it matches my my skin. So after that is the concealer, which is, this is gonna be my my favorite, which is the one my favorite is like the Tarte, which is, you're gonna see in my next video because I'm gonna be filming a favorite. So anyway, this is highly kind of like a dupe of that Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And then this powder, you guys, oh my goodness, this powder, oh my god, as I'm looking at the mirror, it's just like, damn, she bad. Like, she literally set my face on lock. That's how this powder is. Like, she's not playing. She's 150 paces, but she's not playing, guys. I'm telling you, oh my goodness. But anyway, I'm really excited to use that powder too. And then for bronzer is this Essence bronzer. I should have, like I told earlier, I should have got it for like a darker shade, but I don't know if they have the darker shade. But you just I just have to kind of like because I'm very tan now, I just have to kind of like keep going in and out of the pen and just like keep bronzing up my face. But I love this bronzer. It's very cheap and it smells so freaking good. And then for this Tarte Pro Glow, really love this Tarte, and I think it's, I forgot the price, but as I said earlier, I'm gonna put it in the description box. And then for the blush, which is, this is the Bilena blush. This is their cheek blush, and I got the shade Honest. And I'm telling you guys, this blush is just like giving you that 18-year-old, like you're virgin or whatever, like giving that very natural glow. Like, you know, she's there, she's a blush, okay? Straight up blush. And then for the highlight, which is, oh my goodness, this is my new favorite now. This is the Morphe Babe in Paradise, you guys. And I used the shade Vacation. So good. And then what else? Yeah, the lipstick. Love the lipstick. It's not really like sticky feeling, so I love that. And also this setting spray, which is I love. It's just like set my whole makeup. I'm not saying that now, I say that because I've been using this setting spray too since I got this setting spray. So anyway, I think that's it overall. Oh, the mascara. This mascara too, I just really have to keep playing with it, and I will just update you guys about it. But overall, this look is just like amazing. I really like it, and I really hope you guys like this makeup look that I created using new makeup products. And if you want to see more videos for me using brand new products, then leave a comment down below and I will check you guys out. But yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys love this look and love this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.